Hello everyone, today we will learn what is pronoun. By the end of this video, you will easily understand what a pronoun is and how to use it correctly. So let's get started. First we will learn definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Instead of repeating the same noun again and again, we use a pronoun. For example, Riya is a good girl, she is very kind. इस एग्जाम्पल में हमने रिया को रिपीट करने की बजाय उसकी प्लेस में सी यूज़ किया है, दैट इज़ अ प्रोनाउन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डू वी यूज प्रोनाउंस? वी यूज प्रोनाउंस टू मेक आवर सेंटेंसेस शॉर्ट, सिंपल एंड नेचुरल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राहुल इज प्लेइंग, राहुल इज हैप्पी, राहुल इज माई फ्रेंड. सो टू अवॉइड रिपीटिशन ऑफ राहुल, वी यूज प्रोनाउन. Rahul is playing, he is happy, he is my friend. Here, he is a pronoun. Now, let's look into some common pronouns. He, she, it, they, we, I, you. These are some common pronouns that we use in every day. As we all know that there are so many pronouns, but today in this video we will learn 5 main types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun. So, let's learn one by one. First, we will go with personal pronoun. The pronouns that replace the names of persons, places, things, or animals are called personal pronouns. For example, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. She is my sister. They are playing football. Demonstrative pronouns. The pronouns that point out something are called demonstrative pronouns. For example, this, that, these, those. This is my bag. These are beautiful flowers. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns is used to show belongings or relation, like mine, yours, his, hers, ours. For example, this book is mine. Interrogative pronouns. The pronouns that are used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. For example, who, whom, which, what, where. Who is your class teacher? Reflexive pronoun. The pronouns that are used to receive an action are called reflexive pronoun. Some reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, etc. I hope you understand the pronouns very well. Here is a quiz for you. Comment your answer in comment box. Today we learned what a pronoun is and the 5 important types of pronouns. Practice using them in your daily English to improve your grammar. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next grammar lesson. Happy learning!